Is your internet slower than it should be on your Windows PC? Even with a good internet plan, Windows settings can sometimes limit your connection speed without you even realizing it. In this video, I'll show you a few simple settings that can help make your internet faster, more stable, and more responsive on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's start with the first setting. Click on the Windows search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. At the top right, change view by two large icons. Now open Network and Sharing Center. From the left side menu, click Change Adapter Settings. Here, you'll see your internet connection. Right-click on the connection you currently use and select Properties. Next, click Configure. A new window will appear. Go to the Power Management tab. Now, uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This prevents Windows from slowing down or disabling your network adapter to save energy, which can improve connection stability and reduce random internet drops. Click OK to save the change. Now let's improve DNS speed so websites load faster. Press the Windows key and R together to open the run box. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Again, right-click your active internet connection and select Properties. This time, select Internet Protocol version 4, then click Properties. At the bottom, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8, and for alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers, and they can sometimes make browsing faster and more reliable compared to default provider DNS settings. Now click OK to save everything. For the final setting, press Windows key and R again, then type gpedit.sc and press Enter. If you're using Windows Pro, the Group Policy Editor will open. If you're using Windows Home and get an error, that's normal because this tool isn't installed by default on some home editions. Inside the editor, go to Administrative Templates, then Network, then QoS Packet Scheduler. Now double-click Limit Reservable Bandwidth. Select Enabled at the top, then change the bandwidth limit value to 0. Click Apply and then OK. This setting removes the reserved bandwidth limit that Windows can keep for background services, allowing more of your connection speed to be available for normal use. After changing these settings, restart your computer so everything applies correctly. You may notice faster browsing, smoother downloads, lower ping in games, and a more stable internet connection overall.